guys, welcome back for another video. Today this is a short video. I'm just opening this little envelope. But I ordered something from AliExpress and this came from China. As you can see here, China mail. Right. But the funny thing is, I ordered this last week. It took like 9 days to get here. 9 days to get it from China. I think that is insane. I mean, I didn't know that was possible. Sometimes the mail here takes 9 days to get from this town to the next. So that's so cool. So I wasn't expecting it at all. So I'm surprised because I was expecting it in like a couple of weeks or something. So let's open it up. Hope I did not just cut it. Because I ordered a lanyard! Oh, it's way better than I thought. It has sparkles on it. Cool! And you can put whatever you want in here. It even comes with this tag. And then here's the lanyard itself. All sorts of Mickeys on it. That's so cool! This is way better than I was expecting. I think I paid €1 or €1.50, something like that. But this is actually good. Nice chain here. It's, you know, this is not gonna get loose. And I like that you have two like little pockets here, you see? Here's another. That's so great. Well, I love that. So I'm planning a trip for Disney and I wanted to take a lanyard because in Disneyland Paris they don't have magic bands but they have passes, and then you can keep your pass in here and then you can use that for your getting your fast passes or your dinner reservations or whatever. So I like to keep that around my neck. I did not know I had a lanyard, but I don't know where it is. I looked all over the place but I cannot find it anymore. So I'm going to use this one. Well, actually I'm also have ordered a, I think it's Alice in Wonderland one. So I don't know if that's, you know, going to arrive. But we'll see. I still have plenty of time. But if that doesn't work out, at least I have this one. So I can use it for my park passes, my fast passes or whatever I want to keep in here. And we can use this one for pin trading. I can put some pins on there. I have to buy some pins first because the pins I have now I don't want to trade. And then we can use it for pin trading. So I'm really happy with this, guys. I like it a lot. That was a good buy. Well, as I said, this is a very short video, so we're already to the end of it. Thank you for watching. I was just too excited about the mail that I wanted to make a video because 9 days, again people, 9 days to get a package from China. I mean, it blows my mind. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time. Hope you're having a beautiful day and I'm wishing you a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye guys.